Ciao, welcome to the X ingredient. Summer is finally here and Italy has been hit by a very intense heat wave. With this heat, one of the best things to have is something that we call sorbetto al limone. Although the origins of sorbetto are probably from Persia, we know that Romans used to serve this peculiar ancestor of gelato during their feasts. Some say that the Emperor Nero, the same guy who set Rome on fire, used to get ice directly from the Apennine Mountains to impress his guests with something so special. Of course, nowadays it is very easy to make sorbetto, and if you follow a few easy steps, you can have at home a very ancient royal dessert with just a few ingredients and without using a gelato machine. If you have a gelato machine, it is even easier because the machine will do all the job. Anyway, before we start with this video, I would like to remind you to leave a like, to consider subscribing to this channel and to click on the notification bell to stay tuned. Thanks for your attention, and now let's go make some sorbetto. To make a good sorbetto, we need to start peeling a biologic lemon into a pot. If you use a peeler like I did, you should be able to avoid the bitter white part. There is not an exact amount of lemons, you just need to obtain 160 grams of juice. The lemons I have, as you can see, are very juicy and big, so I barely needed 2 of them. It all depends on the quality of your lemons. The important thing is that you use the best lemons you can find and peel all the skins into the pot to make a lemon syrup. Now move the pot with the skins on the stove, adding 150 grams of sugar and 200 grams of water. Cook and stir the syrup until the water starts boiling. Then turn off the stove and cover with a lid for about 10 minutes. At this point, pour the syrup in a container, add 200 grams of ice and let cool completely. If you don't have ice, just double the amount of water and let cool at room temperature, considering that this way it will take way more time. When the syrup is at room temperature, you can add the lemon juice. Then filter the mixture. Pour 30 grams of pasteurized egg white into a blender and blend until foamy and white. Then you can add gradually the lemon mix. Keep blending for a couple of minutes. Then fill a container with the final mix and put in the freezer for 2 hours. Usually we serve sorbetto into champagne glasses and we decorate with lemon zest or fresh mint leaves on top. I like to serve it inside the lemons. If you like this idea, you can cut a little piece at the bottom to make it stand. Then cut the top and remove all the pulp like this. Please avoid to waste the pulp and try to recycle it. Food should never be wasted. I made fresh lemonade, for instance. You can wrap your lemon containers in some aluminum foil and store them in the freezer. After 2 hours, use a fork or a whip to break the ice crystals and put back in the freezer for 2 more hours. Don't worry if the foamy part is not incorporated with the liquid part. At this stage, this is perfectly normal. The purpose of this ancient procedure is to gradually obtain the creamy texture we want. Repeat the procedure one more time, and your sorbetto is ready to be served. Creamy, delicious and incredibly fresh sorbetto al limone is perfect during summertime, or as a dessert at the end of a big dinner or lunch all year round. One of the many Italian wonders from the ancient times. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like and to subscribe to this channel. Also, let me know in the comments if you tried the recipe and how did it go. Alla prossima! Ciao!